In this video, I will be showing you how to use a flash beacon. First, you are gonna need this, a flash beacon. And what you do is you basically have to squeeze this thing. But this also has a flashlight as well. We're not gonna use the flashlight. So basically, you go outside and you use it to just do something. Like I'll show you on this wall. You can use it to spy a lot of stuff. Now, I don't know if you can really see it. And so, what else you can try is basically, well, use it. And it's a really easy item you can use in dark spots. In case you wanna see something for a split second, this flash beacon will help. Like, I'll show you on this chair. Now you basically have to move your hand and just watch my hand. Now I know it is pretty dark right now. It's like, I don't know, 9 something p.m. There's a star right there, I believe. And basically, that is a really cool, this is a really helpful gadget. You find this on eBay maybe, for maybe 10 bucks maybe. But if you think this video was helpful, then be sure to like this video, then hit the subscribe button, click the bell button so that you won't miss out on any videos. Now, I'm sorry, sorry for like not making very much videos. I was just busy with other things, like so much stuff to do. But, well, there you go. Another video, another time of greatness. So, that's it.